Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me Muhammad Fadil Ramadan in International Relations English Class B. So, in this video, I will like to share and explain to you the use of context clues. Maybe some of you guys will ask, what is context clues? So, context clues are hints found within the sentence, paragraph, or passage that us, or reader, can use it to understand the meaning behind the unfamiliar words or the word that we didn't know before. These context clues help us to shorten the time to find out the meaning behind it without using a dictionary. So, it really helpful to understand. So, to make you clearer about the context clues, I will give you an example. You have to find the word that match with the blanks by yourself, okay? So, I will give you time in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Stop. Did you answer the word language in the first blank? Speak or now in the second blank, and Americans in the third blank? If you did it, you are really good. And if you don't worry because we are still in learning process. Why you guys found it? Because the words around the blanks, this is the words, and this is the blank, right? So this sentence called sentence context. It gave us the clue to what are the words can match with the blanks, right? So all of it, all of this, called with context clues. Okay, that's enough. There are so many types of context clues, but in this time, I will explain to you three types of commonly used context clues. There are definition clues, example clues, and contrast clues. So we will start first with definition clues. What is definition clues? So, definition clues is a sufficient explanation that follow within the word it used to figure out the definition of a word. So, the writer usually use a special word to explain it. The word and phrases such as means, is, are, refer to, can be defined as, can be called, and are called. The example, induction refers to the process of reasoning from the known to the unknown. This is the special word, refers to. So, this is the word that we didn't know before, and these are the explanation. This is next. The manager wants a weekly inspection, which is a methodical examination of all blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is the special word, right? Is. The manager wants a weekly inspection, so these words are explained next after this special word. But what about with indirectly? In indirect definitions, it is usually follow the word and are set off by commas, parentheses, or dashes. Example, a hypochondrium, excessive worry over one's health, is common among senior citizens. Hypochondrium. The special word are after the explanation is separated by commas, and this is the explanation. So a hypochondrium is an excessive worry over one's health. Next, Some store over loss leader. Loss leader, what is? Product on which the store lose money to gain new customer, right? So, mm, these are called with parentheses. So, the explanation is contained in this parenthesis. Loss leader, product on which the store lose money. Okay, next. Example clues. What is example clues? Example clues used to figure out word by giving examples. Of course, the writer used a special word too to explain the not explain but for giving the explanation for giving the examples, the writer used some special word. So the words are phrases such as include, for example, for instance, such as, and like indicate example clues. Example: toxic materials such as arsenic, asbestos, pesticide, and lead can cause bodily damage. Right? Bodily damage. Yeah, bodily damage. So these are the unknown or unfamiliar words. So this is the special word such as, right? So toxic material are arsenic, asbestos. So toxic mean cause bodily damage. Are you understand? Okay, next. Most condiments such as pepper, mustard, and ketchup are used to improve the flavor of foods. So condiments, the clues are such example used to improve the flavor of foods. So condiments are materials that used to improve the flavor of foods. Next, the children were able to observe several crustaceans, including crabs, lobster, and shrimp. The children were able to observe several crustaceans, so crustaceans, including, right? Include. So, crustacean is some like creature like crabs, lobster, and shrimp. They have, you know, exoskeleton. If you are an high school student, you'll know it. Next, contrast clues. Contrast clues or antonym clues is used to reveal the meaning of an unknown term by using a word or a group of words that has the opposite meaning. So, it used the word and phrase such but, also, even though, yet, on the other hand, indicate contrasting ideas. Example: although some men are loquacious, others hardly talk at all. Although some men are loquacious, this is others hardly talk at all are the antonym from loquacious. So, loquacious mean easily to talk. I love dogs even though most of my family loves them. I love. So, because the condition are antonym, so love is mean hate. Stella has always dressed flamboyantly. I've never seen her wear a dull color. Flamboyantly, dull color. Actually, I didn't know what is flamboyantly mean. Just search it on Google. But of course, flamboyantly not means dull color. There are may the meaning must be the antonym of this. So, thank you for hearing me. But sorry for, like corgi talk, because I'm just a human. So thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up. There are some of my friends making this video like this too. So watch them too. Maybe they have uh, better explanation from me. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.